Today in this video, I just want to share that I have one portable speaker and this sound is not work properly anymore. So I will open it up using a screwdriver manually. But we have to be very careful that they have the connector. So we must handle with careful. And so I remove all these knob, volume control knob with test pen. We can just dig a little bit up and we can remove. So there's a bunch of potentiometer, and each potentiometer they have a value. So we need to see the potentiometer value and we're gonna check with a digital multimeter. So by right, this is 50 kilo ohm potentiometer, but when I test, the value is not accurate anymore. This is keep running the value, so the value is not stable. So I'm sure that this potentiometer has already error. So the best things, we need to check one by one to make sure either our potentiometer is working fine or already out. So I'll make sure all my potentiometer is working fine or not. I'm gonna check one by one. So some as the value is accurate, but some are not. So this is supposed to be 50K. So make sure you are using a digital multimeter. That is the most easiest way for me to test potentiometer because this is just a resistor. So here's 50 kilo ohm, and once we test this position, it should be decrease slowly or increase slowly. So just make sure to check all. And there are a few capacitor that if you think damage and if you suspect damage, we just replace this capacitor. And of course we need to remove all these potentiometer one by one. So if your potentiometer is still one piece or two pieces is still good, you can leave it. If not, we just replace all potentiometer with the new potentiometer. So that is the most safe way. So right now I already replaced everything is right here, and now so now working fine. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching my video.